Have you ever dreamed of making money while catching some Z's? In this video, I'll uncover a unique and restful side hustle that lets you earn while you snooze. If you love to sleep, then this might just be the perfect gig for you. Hello, my name is Cece, and welcome to Inside Your Hustle, where we talk about potential ways to make you some side money and save you some money as well. Are you ready?
Yes.
Hit it! You could turn your side hustles into your main hustle. Number 16, professional sleeper. Now imagine getting paid to do something we need to do, sleep. That's exactly what a professional sleeper does. There are a set of skills needed for this side hustle, like the ability to sleep in different circumstances, such as away from home, with people watching, or with wires attached to you. This is different from being cozy and alone in your bed. You also need to have good verbal and written communication skills so you can share your feedback with the researchers that you're assisting. It's helpful if you're generally in good health and have good sleeping habits to ensure your findings are accurate. It's beneficial for you to have a flexible schedule and willingness to adapt to the different needs of this particular side hustle. There'll be no limits to the amount you can earn. The more you sleep, the more you make. You can test lots of different products every day. According to Indeed, the average pay for a professional sleeper ranges from $1,000 to $5,000 per month. There are more specific professional sleeping gigs, like being a part of NASA studies. NASA and the European Space Agency are offering $19,000 to 24 participants, 12 men and 12 women, to stay in bed for at least 2 months. The objective of the study is to research how the body changes in weightlessness. You can also sign up to be a hotel mystery shopper. Some hotels hire professional sleepers to test and review their rooms and amenities, ensuring optimal guest comfort. One company hiring for this is Coil Hospitality. Working with Coil means you'll have to be a regular hotel guest, sleep there, provide honest reviews, and get paid. Some feedback you'll have to supply includes how friendly the staff was, how comfortable the mattress was, the quality of the hotel's food and other facilities, and so on. Hotel mystery shoppers can expect to get paid about $21 per hour to sleep in hotels and an average salary of $42,891 annually. You can participate in research studies or test products by sleeping under controlled conditions. While they catch some Z's, researchers or companies gather valuable data on sleep patterns, test the effectiveness of sleep-related products, and explore other fascinating sleep-related factors. Now, you'll have to Google around to find out where it's done, but there are multiple colleges and universities that need sleep participants for their research, just like Stanford Medicine and the University of Colorado, who are currently running projects paying for people like you to get some Z's for some money. Many of these studies are designed to examine factors that can impact human circadian rhythms, the patterns we develop that tell us when we need to sleep and wake up. Such studies are likely to pay at least $1,000 and likely much more, depending on the amount of time in isolation. For example, a 10-day sleep deprivation study at Mass General Brigham paid up to $4,000. Well, we did it again. Thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you can turn into your main hustle. Now, let me know in the comments down below if you're going to try sleeping as a side hustle. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.